Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mike. We're here at Hoover Dam, and we're gonna go walk down and walk across it. It's just I feel like I'm living my dreams. From the first times when Grandpa used to play that song that said, "I was a dam builder across a river deep and wide, where steel and water did collide. A place called Boulder on the wild Colorado. I slipped and fell into that wet concrete below. They buried him in that great tomb that knows no sound, but he is still around. He'll always be around." So we're gonna go check it out, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do quick shot videos, but yep, that, ladies and gentlemen, is Hoover Dam. And that is the wild Colorado. Catch you again in a bit.